Hello students, a very happy morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are taking care of your health. So let us see. We were doing ready for a science class. We were doing chapter number 4 soil, and we had already completed the chapter explanation part. So today we'll start with the exercise portion. Okay, take out your textbooks and mark along with me. We'll start with exercise number 1. Tick the correct answer. Question number 1. The heaviest layer of the soil is, you remember heaviest layer of the soil kaun si thi? See, you will get a clue from here. See, first gravel, sand, clay, water. तो सब gravel के ऊपर सब layers आ गई, तो heaviest layer कौन सी हुई? Very correct. Gravel is the heaviest layer. Then we'll move further. Question number 2. Soil contains dash. That means soil में क्या क्या होता है? Soil contains, you remember? See, we had already studied this topic. Soil contains grain, pulses or water. Recall? Very correct. Soil contains water. Now let us see. Which of the following animals live in soil? Which animal live in soil? Rabbit, lion, tiger. आपने कभी लायन और टाइगर को सॉइल में देखा है? नो, बट कुछ एनिमल्स का होम ही सॉइल होता है. सो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एनिमल्स लिव इन सॉइल? Rabbit. Next. Now next we'll do circle the odd one out. See, this is a fun play game. This is not in your textbook, but if you see here, pay attention, you will get some knowledge. See, gravel, sand or plants. Which is the odd one out in this one? Can you guess? Which is the odd one? Plants. Because gravel and sand are present in the soil, but plants is not the part of that, so we'll circle plants. Second, humus, loamy, sandy. कौन सबसे अलग है, हम उसको बाहर निकाल देंगे. See, sandy and loamy are the types of soil, but humus is a type of soil? No. So we'll circle humus. Then earthworm, cat और rabbit. आप गेस कर सकते हो आप किसको सर्कल करोगे? वेरी ट्रू. सी, earthworm और rabbit का होम कहाँ पे होता है? सॉइल में. पर cat का होम सॉइल में होता है? नो. सो विल सर्कल cat. Understood till here? Now we'll discuss the new terms of the chapter. All these words you might have gone through in the chapter. See, I'll tell you the meanings. Humus. What is humus? Very important. Remains of dead plants and animals mixed with soil. We had already discussed this. What is humus? Humus is remains of dead plants and animals mixed in the soil. Then mineral. What is mineral? Substance that is formed naturally on earth. See, the substance जो खुद ही बन जाता है naturally. So mineral, that is a substance formed naturally where? On the earth. Then rock. What is rock? Have you seen all this? पत्थर देखे हैं ना आपने? Solid material of which the earth is made of. Solid means hard. Solid material जिससे अर्थ बनी है. सो वॉट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रॉक? सॉलिड मटीरियल ऑफ विच द अर्थ इज मेड ऑफ. ओके, नाउ आई विल गिव यू अ शॉर्ट होमवर्क. सी, वी डिस्कस द MCQs that you have to just write in your textbook. All the 4 MCQs which we discussed, you have to write the correct answers. Okay, till then we will continue with the blanks. See, very easy. Soil contains dash. Soil contains clay or light? Very good. Soil contains clay. Then question 2. Dash is formed by the breakdown of rocks. Breakdown of rocks means जो पत्थर जब break होते हैं तब क्या form होता है? Humus और soil? Very correct. We studied in the very first portion of the chapter. Soil is formed. Okay. Question number 3. Dash soil has a lot of air spaces between its particles. We studied sandy soil, clay soil and loamy soil. तो उसमें से कौन सी soil में बहुत space थी through between its particles? Very good. Sandy soil has lot of air spaces. Then it takes dash years to form soil. जब formation of soil का जो process है वो बहुत जल्दी से होता है कि धीरे से? So it takes many years. So the correct answer will be many. Few is बहुत कम. So you don't have to write few, but the answer is many. So you have to write MCQs and blanks in your textbook itself. Okay? And now we'll discuss the further questions in the next video lesson. Till then, take care. Go through the lesson. God bless you all.